everybody, welcome back to Ishan's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Korean coffee, the Dalgona coffee, the trending coffee in the world. That is Dalgona coffee. We only need 4 ingredients: sugar, coffee powder, hot water and milk. Now I'm going to use the hand mixer to beat it up. Also, you can whisk it. My cream's ready. I'm going to make the hot Dalgona coffee. You can make it hot or cold if you want. Now I'm going to add the milk. Now I'm going to add the coffee cream. The Dalgona coffee is so yummy and so delicious. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow my Instagram at Ishan's Kitchen. And see you guys later.